Good morning, students of class 5. Here, your math teacher Artika Ra is going to teach you chapter number 14 Symmetry and Pattern. So, let's start. First of all, we will recall symmetry is all around us in nature as well as in man made structures. An object with symmetry has two equal halves when reflected across a straight line. Facts of symmetry are also used in other fields such as art and design. A pattern is an arrangement of shape or number which is regularly repeats itself. Patterns are symmetrically in design. Example of pattern are rainbow, honeybee, and some design or on carpet and gates, etc. So these are the shape you have to complete it because it is star, ninja star, and then circle, ninja star, then circle, and then you have to make ninja star, then circle. Here, triangle is going upward, sideward, downward. You have to make it like this, sideward. Then you have to make the pattern complete. Here it is given 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 4 is 7, 4 plus 5 is 9. So what you have to do is you have to add. What you have to add is the next number to the next number. Like 4, after 4 5 is coming, after 2 3 is coming. So you will write here, I'll tell you. See, here you write here 5 plus 6 is 11. 6 plus 7 is 13, like this. Next is next is next the pattern is given in that 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 9. 3 plus 4 plus 5 is 12. 4 plus 5 plus 6 is 15. So just write here. Here it is 3 plus 4 plus 5, 9. And then it is 12. You have to add all the serial wise numbers. So in that way, you have to write 5 plus 6 plus 7 is 18. Here it is the difference of 2. Here it is the difference of 3. And we can say this is the table of 3. Here we can say there are the difference of 4. 14, 18, 22, 26, 30 is the answer. Likewise, you have to do all the pattern type work. Okay. So now we will do our symmetry. What is symmetry? You know, when we do the half of any number that should be equal in both the sides. Here it is. Draw the line S for of symmetry for the each of the following. So this is symmetry. This is symmetrical. Here it can come in the middle. Here it comes in the middle, so it can be symmetrical. Here it comes in the middle, so it can be symmetrical. Here it comes in the middle like this only. We can't do horizontal. We can say we can do vertically only. Complete the following. You will complete these shapes in the book. Okay. Now, which of the following? Observe each geometrical shape and find its if the dotted line is a line of symmetry or not. See, it is symmetry? No. It can be symmetry, but it is not symmetry. It is not symmetry because here it is of three lines, and here it is not in that. Here it is straight, here it is curved, so it cannot be like this. So this is called symmetry. So Tessellation or tiling means without leaving any space. Okay, so you have to draw tessellation, and by combining two plane shapes, you will do that. You have to do the reflection. You should know sides, flips, and turn. For example, origin position is that, and it is turned like this and half, then third, fourth. This is like all called pattern writing. Here it is given flip. Flip means just opposite. Do that opposite. Slide. Slide means हल्का सा हटना, slide हो जाना. That is the shape it is given here. You have to turn it like that, and this is called pattern handwriting. Pattern writing in sequence numbers, you can see that if the numbers are given like this. See, write the first 10 square number and represent them in dot method. You have to represent them in dot method also. Write the triangular number up to 50. How many are there? You have to write down. Now write the multiplication table of 6 and find out the pattern it follows. 6, 12, 18 is the pattern. Now here it is written number. 6 plus 10 is 16. 16 plus 10 is 26. Then it will be coming 46, comma, 56, comma, 66, comma, like this. Now 2 plus 9, 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 plus 7 is 23. 23 plus 7 is 30. 30 plus 7 is 37. 37 plus 7 is 44. Like this. Now 3 and then 12 is coming. It means 9 is going to be added. 3 plus 9 is 12. 12 plus 9 is 21. 21 plus 9 is 30. 30 plus 9 is 39. 39 plus 9 is 48. 48 plus 9 is 57. Likewise. Now, 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 7 is 19. 19 plus 7 is 26. 26 plus 7 is 33. 33 plus 7 is 40. 40 plus 7 is 47. Now, 15. 5 plus 10 is 15. 15 plus 30 is 45. 30 plus, here it is coming 30 plus, here see what is there, I have to write. So here it will come 15 plus, so answer will come 225 will be the answer of this question. Okay, now come to the next point, that is look at the symmetry in a number and write the next two term. See, 1 plus 1, 1 into 1 is 1, 11 into 11 is 1 to 1, then 1, 2, 3 and 2, 1 will come. Okay, here it should be coming 5, 5, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So what will be the answer? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. There when 4 were there till it was 4. Now we will do it oppositely also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then 4, 3, 2, 1 is the answer. Next is how many? 6 times you have to write. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 is equals to, just write down numbers till 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then do opposite. 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Likewise, you have to do this. Now, 7 into 9 is 63. Now, 77 into 99 is 7 and 63. But 2 has come here. Now, 7, 7, 2, 2 is coming 2 times. 7, 7, 3 times 2 is coming. Here we will write 4 times 5 times 7 into 99999, 5 times 9. So answer will come here 7777 Here it will come 6. Why? Because just less 1 from that number, that will come 6. Then answer will come here 2, 2, 2, 2. 4 times 2 and then 3. Then 3. Likewise. Here you will write 6 times 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 6. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it will come 3, like this. Okay. Now here it is written. What is written here? 4. 12 is written, 20 is written, 28 is written. It means it is one like pattern is given. Okay. Here 4 in front of 5, 10 is written. In front of 4 to the 8, 6 and 3, it comes in 3 tables. So you just write here 3. 3. This is called pattern. Here it is 10, 5 plus 5 and 4, 12 and 10. Okay, so answer will come like this, 9 plus 9 and 18 is coming. Then here it is coming 14. Okay, likewise we have done this exercise 14. Now we will be doing chapter checkup. In that, rectangular has how many lines of symmetry? It can be 2. 2. Which symmetrical shape has no line of symmetry? Rectangle has, isosceles triangle has, circle don't have. Okay. Is both a square and a triangle number? Both a square. Square can be also like this and triangle can also be like this. So it can be 9. Complete the pattern 6, 6:15, 6:30. Then what you have to add is 15 minutes. So 6:45. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is 8. Then 33. Then what you have to do is what is the difference between 33 between 33 and 17? You have to check. This is 33 minus 17 is 16. So here the difference is of 16. Here the difference is of 8. Then 8 double. 8 threes are 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. So just write 33 plus 24. Answer will come 57. Answer will come here 33. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 33 is coming. 33 minus 17 is coming. 16. 32. 32 is going to be added because it is just double. So 65 will be the answer. Now find the number of line symmetry. Draw lines. It can be like this only. It can be like this only. One line of symmetry only. It is having one line of symmetry only. It can be like this only. Okay, now you have to draw the mirror image that is just opposite to that number. You can do. Now students, you have to write down the pattern also. Like here 1 and 4 is given, so it means it is the distance between 3. Just minus it. 4 minus 1 is 3. 9 minus 4 is 5. 16 minus 9 is 7. So you just write adding on 9, that will be 25. Then add on 36 and then 49. This will be the answer. And here you have to see that what the pattern is going to be followed. Accordingly you have to do all the pattern writing and symmetrical sums. Okay, students, this chapter is completed. Bye for today.